Angela Profit here, your event and productivity consultant. Are you running your own business and you think you can do it all yourself? I got a secret. You can't grow and do it all. With technology on the rise, I keep hearing this, I'm just gonna hire a VA. I just need a VA. A VA. I'm like, a virtual assistant, which is a great start. But a lot of people that I consult with just think that they're magically going to solve all of your productivity problems. But guess what? Unless you give them the tools, the strategy, the process, the procedure of what your expectations are, they're gonna fail. And guess whose fault that is? Yours. I've been there. Trust me. I've been through several right hands. But over the years, I have perfected this system where we use technology, apps, software, and have defined clear expectations on what is expected of someone who can step in and run things for you. And trust me, it is such an amazing feeling. And listening to all of my friends complain who are entrepreneurs and they're busy and they own businesses, and they keep asking me, how do you find the right people, Angela? Well, I have this little secret that I learned in healthcare. It's a communication methodology. It may be a little hokey, but it works. I've also learned how to stop using paper so that I can delegate tasks that A, I don't need to be doing, B, I don't like to do it, and C, I just suck at it. Just think, if you could free up your time to grow your business, what would that look like? Oh, and if you already have an assistant, how are the distractions going? Have you created a process for that? Do you share a calendar, colors, Dropbox, Box, Google Drive? Do you ever feel like you're just in email jail? Oh, and what about those to-do lists on all those Post-it notes? Yeah, that's real efficient. You can really delegate with Post-it notes. Not. If you're feeling frustrated and you know that you need to grow and you know you need a right hand and you have no clue where to start, this is the workshop that you're gonna wanna come to, because I'm gonna share with you exactly what I've done over 2 decades just about on expectations, communication. Oh, let's break the bad habits too. Who's gonna manage all your passwords? Oh, and from experience, don't use the same password for everything. Training a right hand is so much more than just the day-to-day client interaction, emails, phone calls, text messages, scheduling meetings, following up. But training a right hand in giving them other tasks that can help you be more productive and hiring the right person who's not like you is key. Think of also having someone that can help you with social media, your strategy. If you want to write a book, a podcast, have a video tip series, you can train. Nothing's ever perfect. You've got to work together and communicate. So if you're looking to grow your company and you know you can't do it all alone, sign up for Train My Right Hand. And I'll show you exactly how to put these processes in place in one day, just one day. It's taken me years to develop this process, and I'm excited to share it with you because I know it will change your life and change your business. Now let's GSD, get stuff done, and I'll see you there. Oh, and you can't be a GSD leader without other leaders. Newsflash, hate to burst your bubble. And I've got some stories I could share with you that will probably make you feel like you're gonna vomit. So